and welcome back. One question that we get asked a lot is how we do our performance review. So how do we ensure that the team has clarity on what they are meant to be working on, and also sort of to keep everyone on track and working on the right tasks. And one thing that we do is we do an annual performance review. And I want to share with you how we do it, because this might be helpful for you also if you have team members and you want to help them grow also within your team. This might be a really good way to go about it. So how we do it is once a year we sit down with each team member, and it's usually on their anniversary. So whenever they join the company, then every year we have it in our calendar to sit down for an hour or so to go through a performance review. And before that meeting, what we do is we have a template that they get, and they get to fill it in first. And then they come to the meeting with their own thoughts, and we discuss their performance review together, and we find ways to help them grow in the role or with the business. And so there are really 4 parts that we do in this review, and I'm going to share them with you in case you want to model this and use it for your own team. The first part is a self-assessment. And in the self-assessment, we ask questions such as, what were your biggest accomplishments in the last 12 months? Or what did you improve? Or where did you grow the most, for example? Or what would you like to see happen in your role in the future? What do you enjoy most about working here at Basic Bananas? And what do you enjoy least about working here? So that's the first part. The second part is the actual key performance indicators. So where we, depending on the role, we look at what are the key performance indicators, and then again we assess how they're going on each of these performance indicators. The first one here, this is for Kyla, this review that I have here in my hands. The first one for her is she's in charge of customer support and communication. So some of the KPIs are get back to emails within 24 hours, get back to phone calls on the same day. And then also she looks after events too, so events management. So make sure that the workshops and all the travel is booked in advance. Make sure that there is stock in each city for our workshops, for example, etc. So you get the gist. And then the third part of the review is suggestions for improvements. Again, this is for them to fill in, and then we can discuss it when we meet. And here we look at where can we improve their role or even the work environment. And things that they look at here is the workflow, how is the workload, the work environment is another question here. So what would they like to see differently in our working environment? Our team activities, so what could we do differently in terms of our team activities, etc. And then the last part number 4 of the plan is a performance development plan. And here we look at what are their weaknesses in this role, what are their strengths in the role, and where would they like to develop. So what are some of the skills that they would like to learn more of, so that we can help them achieve their goals also in developing. Because it's really important, I believe, to not just make this review about their job, but also about their happiness more than anything, because a happy team member is one that will add way more value to your business than someone that is only purely focused on the KPIs. So this is how we do our reviews, and it's fun. We make it fun. I have one of these tomorrow with Hannah, who is an amazing team member, and she's probably filling hers in right now. And we also make sure our team happiness rockstar Aga, she makes sure there's a little bit of food there, and you know, we make it a little bit of a celebration too. And as always, if you know someone who has a team who would benefit from this specific video tip, feel free to share it with them. And as you know, for us here, it's all about creating ripple effects, and the more people, the more business owners we can impact, the happier we are here. So thanks again for watching, thank you for sharing, and we'll see you next time.
Hey there, I want to give you a special invite to our annual event. The Experience Summit is coming up, and the early bird promo is open right now until it's either sold out or until the end of January. So early bird promo where tickets are really reduced. And this is our annual event where we take the best of the best from Basic Bananas, squeeze it into 2 days, 2 and a bit days. The whole team are there working with you on your business in regards to the latest and greatest when it comes to marketing, business efficiency, productivity, the latest apps and tools we use, and all of the Basic Bananas team are there working with you. We have dinner, we put on dinner and drinks, and we all get to hang out and have a really good time while working on your business. So it's called the Experience Summit. You'll find it on the experiencesummit.com, or just go to basicbananas.com and it's on the product page. You'll also find a link here somewhere around the video, and we'd love to have you along. Just keep in mind, early bird closes once it sells out, which it has the last two times we ran it in Manly, or the end of January. That's when tickets will be done. We'd love to have you along. Hopefully see you there.